Hi friends, happy Mother's Day. Since we can't go to the store, we're gonna pick up flowers from our garden to wish our mom. Let's go to our garden.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna cut one of those. Now we're gonna put the flowers in the vase. It worked. Now we're writing cards to my mom. Happy Mother's Day, dear Mom. And now I'm done with the greeting card. And I made it on two sides. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. From Sarosh to Mom. And there's a heart symbol. I made it on two sides. 1, 2. Happy Mother's Day, dear Mom. 10 flowers from Aditya to Mom. 3 muffins. Mother's Day has muffins. And this is a heart symbol. I made a small one and he made a big one. But I didn't color mine and he colored his. Now we're done with the cards. So let's pack the gift. My dad ordered this, so we're gonna give it to my mom for Mother's Day. Now you're ready to wish our mom. Happy Mother's Day. Hi friends, today we're gonna make muffins for Mother's Day. Make almond, blueberry, banana muffins. This is a gluten-free, dairy-free. We're gonna see what we need to make a muffin. For that we need 3 cups almond flour and 3 bananas, 1/3 cup of oil. You can use any oil, but we use coconut oil. And some maple syrup, and 3 cracked eggs, and some salt, and baking soda and baking powder, and we used all the blueberries. Now we're going to pour all the liquids down into the big bowl. We poured the 3 bananas. Now let's pour these eggs. We crack the eggs so they yolks, coconut oil. Now we're pouring the maple syrup. Now let's pour some vanilla. Now we're gonna stir. We need to mix well before we add the flour. Now we're done mixing, and now let's add the flour. We're adding the baking soda now. Now we're adding the baking powder. Next, we're adding the salt. Let's mix blueberries. We should not mix it hard when we put the blueberries. Now we're going to mix gently. Now you're ready to put it into the cupcake molds. Now we are putting liners. Let's put it into the cup. We have set the oven to 350. Add some more blueberries on top. Now the blueberries are finished. We'll put it in the oven, and it needs to bake for 22 to 25 minutes. Now the oven is at 350, so now we can put it in the oven. Make sure you take your parents' help for safety. Now we put it in the oven, and we're gonna bake for 22 to 25 minutes. And we put the toothpicks in the cupcakes and see if the toothpicks are clean. If the toothpicks are clean, then the muffins are gonna be ready. Now we took muffins out after 25 minutes. So we tried with the toothpick and it came clean. We put it and it came out clean, so that means it's baked. One by one. He's not ready for that. Ready for that. Now now our muffins are ready. So we're gonna have muffins with Mom. We will taste them and take them to our mom. So yummy. One time I had muffins with Mom on Mother's Day at school, but now we are doing it at home because of the virus. This is so tasty. I hope you also make muffins for your mom. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.